Hiya, this is Project Klack, working title, a 3D keyboard building simulator similar to PC Building Simulator or Hero Forge. When it's done, you'll be able to pick different keyboards, switch cases of those boards, put in different plates, choose layouts, put in switches, and put on caps. In short, you'll be able to build keyboards. It uses physically based rendering, and there will be different light conditions to check out your build in, so you can judge what a build would look like without having to spend the money or relying on photos or renderers, since they are always quite dependent on the calibration settings of whoever made them. Plus, you get to look at it from any angle you like, which is a thing I'm really missing from static renderers. Here is where I'm currently at.